My name is Elaine Vickers. Welcome to my series of videos called Cancer Basics. In this video, I'll give you a quick introduction to cells, DNA, genes and chromosomes and the relationship between them. It's always hard to know where to begin, but I'll start with the fact that we all start out as an egg and a sperm that come together as a fertilized egg, and that fertilized egg gives rise to every single cell in our body. Now all these cells look different from one another. Nerve cells look different from the cells in our bones, in our skin, in our muscles and in our blood. But what they all have in common is that inside each cell is a full set of chromosomes that came from that egg and sperm. Chromosomes are made from a substance called DNA, and there's 2 meters of DNA in the chromosomes in every cell in our body. That is an enormous amount, considering that each cell is too small to be seen by the naked eye. To fit 2 meters of DNA inside each cell, it's coiled up, compacted, and condensed to create these structures that we call the chromosomes. Scattered throughout the chromosomes are genes. These are regions of DNA that cells can recognize as containing the instructions how to make one or more proteins. Our chromosomes contain around 20,000 genes, and from these genes our cells make many thousands of different proteins. These proteins are the workhorses of the cell. They do all the jobs necessary to keep the cell and us alive. Some proteins are necessary for the cell to communicate with its neighbours. Some proteins are the catalysts for chemical reactions. Some are transport proteins that move things around, and some proteins can even tell the cell when to die. Each protein has a job to do. Together, the proteins in a cell determine what it looks like, what jobs it's doing, and whether it chooses to multiply or whether to die. In summary, inside every cell in our body are 46 chromosomes, the same chromosomes that came together when egg met sperm. These chromosomes are made from DNA, and within that DNA are regions called genes that tell the cell how to make many thousands of different proteins. Proteins perform many different jobs, and they collectively keep our cells alive and control their behavior.